In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your deleted drafts on Instagram. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you want to recover your deleted drafts on Instagram, what you need to do is to open the Insta application. Click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screens and then tap on your activity. Now you need to scroll down and click on the last option, download your information. Then tap on the request a download. Make sure that only your Instagram account is selected and tap on next. Click on the second option, select types of information. Okay, since we only want to recover or deleted drafts on Instagram, therefore you need to search for this option that says content, select it and click on next and then tap on submit request. After you click on submit request, a file containing your deleted drafts will be sent to your email address. Once you have received that file, all you have to do is to download it and your deleted drafts on Instagram will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.